Now, there is a winter weather advisory issued right now for both Pike and Ross counties, and that will go into effect at 4 o'clock. Predictors showing the heaviest band of the rain is north of this cold front, and this is our biggest question mark. Cities affected will be Gully Bridge and Anstead, in addition to Oak Hill and Fayetteville, continuing to roll into the Mountain State, and we are going to see lots of lightning. I'm here for the solar eclipse party that they will be holding this afternoon as the moon passes in front of the sun. Now, temperatures right now, if you are planning on heading out for this, it's 82 in Beckley and Oak Hill. The heavier showers with these yellows and oranges. Around 5 o'clock, they'll be just a little bit to the west of Huntington. It is another mild evening ahead as we're seeing temperatures at 67 in Wheeling and Steubenville.
Get a little more use out of those winter jackets. I'm sure we're not cheap, and we probably didn't get to use them a lot over the winter,
no,
so at least you get to pull them out just a little bit longer.
Do we need to, though?
Those winds will be picking up and staying gusty across the area as we do head later into your afternoon and into the overnight hours tonight. So you will be wanting to break out those shovels and also bundle up when you're heading out to go shoveling later today.
1 to 2 inches of snow right after the break. It's from the same storm that we saw last night. They brought damaging winds to our area.
The sunglasses, I'm going to hold them out over here. It's a lot easier to be able to see the sun through these sunglasses. Now, if we switch them out to the solar eclipse glasses, a lot harder to be able to see the sun. And that is why the solar eclipse glasses are advised over the sunglasses, because the solar eclipse glasses blocks out 99.99% of the sun's rays, and that's going to help you prevent from damaging your retinas.
So a lot of these glasses were sold out that you had to have, or sometimes they're just too expensive. So if you don't have those glasses for Monday, Alida found a way to make it using household items. So show us what we need to have.
Okay, so what you need is an empty cereal box. You could use either duct tape or regular tape. A nail especially is important to make your pinhole. Some paper, scissors. You could even use a box cutter instead of the scissors.
All right, so show us the first step.
Okay, so first what you're going to do is you're going to empty out the box, obviously, and then you're going to take a piece of paper, trace the bottom out. We've already pre-done this. And you're going to take the paper, put a little bit of tape on it. Now we're going to use regular tape for this, and you're going to attach it to the bottom and then stick it in the bottom of your box.
Okay.
Before you seal it, because it's
all the way at the bottom, right here. Okay.
Because then this way it's easier to get to it.
Okay.
Because if you do it after you sealed it, it's much more difficult.
Okay, and then what do you do with the aluminum foil?
So we're gonna wait a second, and we're gonna actually end up cutting out this end actually.
Okay. So you're gonna have both ends. So this is covered, and we'll show you how to do this in just a minute. So you're gonna cut both ends just like this.
Yes.
You see it right there, and she's gonna cut that part. So you're just cutting the top 2 corners.
Yes, top left and right corner. And then with that, as we do cut this off, you can leave that, but then you're going to want to seal it as well. So we'll use a little bit of tape, seal up the top, so that we won't have to deal with that opening potentially later. So you'll take your tin foil that you've gotten, and you'll put it over a corner of the box.
Okay.
So like,
and it doesn't have to be perfect.
No,
which
not
is good.
at all.
Good for people like me who are not good at crafts.
Neither am I, so this is pretty entertaining that we're going to try this.
Okay. Here's the other side. If you need more tape, I can for you. And you can use either type of tape. It does not matter.
Does not matter at all.
Okay.
This will be good, actually. And then so what you're going to do is you're going to take the little nail and actually poke a hole through the corner here.
Okay.
And what you're going to do is when you go to use it, is you'll look at this side. So the sun will be behind you.
Yeah.
You'll look through this side.
Okay.
You'll see the sun moving in on this side, and the projection will be at the bottom. So you can actually get a safe view of it without possibly causing some eye damage.
So you just look right through here. So it's just like that.
Just like that.
All right, and listen, it was all household items. You really can't beat that.
Very easy to do. Good afternoon, everybody. We are seeing a severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for Fayette County, and it was heading eastward towards Greenbrier County. Now, cities affected will be Gully Bridge and Anstead, in addition to Oak Hill and Fayetteville. And these storms are just going to continue to push to the east as they move through with this cold front. Storm Tracker 59 HD dual live Doppler radar now showing that the storm went severe right around noon. We didn't really have a whole lot of time as that storm did just go severe, and that will just continue to push further to the east. And with this, we're looking at East Bank to be seeing these storms. Cedar Grove, Glasgow, Pratt, Hanley, Gawley Bridge, and Ansted. Also, Summersville is expected to be seeing these strong storms. Now with this, we're seeing wind gusts near 60 miles an hour. Hail, small hail, pea to quarter size at this point as we are seeing these storms fire out, and bow as well. As you can see, the bow echo starting to show up as well, and that's very representative of strong winds as we will continue to monitor this storm as it fires through the area. But it is moving quickly, so that's good news as it will move through and out of the area as we do head through the afternoon. Now with this, we are seeing a cold front slide through the area, and that's why these showers and storms have been firing up in addition to the daytime heating as well. That adds a little bit of fuel for these storms to possibly risk that severe risk. Now we are under a marginal risk for severe weather, and this means we're looking at seeing 1 or 2 storms to push those severe limits, and especially with this storm that did fire up around noon and pushing that severe thunderstorm warning. We are going to be continuing to monitor that, but we are seeing that cold front sliding through the area. Showers and storms expected this afternoon. We should not be dealing with too many severe storms as we do head into the afternoon, but we are going to be seeing the 1 or 2 that do push those severe limits. We'll dry out through the overnight, a lingering shower before midnight before we see clear skies to start off your Thursday, and high pressure moves into the area and will be around throughout your Thursday. So we'll be seeing plenty of sunshine, a little bit of cloud cover mixed in, but it will be a gorgeous day as the rain does hold off on Thursday. We start off Friday with sunshine and high pressure, but these showers could fire up as we do start to see a little bit more moisture moving into the atmosphere. So we do have the potential for that shower, but a lot of it will be recurring in the afternoon and into the evening. So many of us will be dry for your Friday. So if you wanted to hit the Mountain Festival in Bluefield, definitely a great night to do it. Then for Saturday morning, a warm front will be pushing through the area, and that's why we will be seeing those showers around for Saturday morning, and we keep that shower chance around for much of your Saturday. Day ahead, 68 at 1 o'clock, 72 at 4, 69 at 7. These showers and storms will be coming to an end after that cold front pushes through. So once we finally see that cold front slide through, we'll start to see that rain chance diminish. A high of 73 today, 74 tomorrow, then 76 on Friday, and we do have that chance for a pop-up shower and storm, but a lot of that is going to just be sliding into the area as we head into the afternoon and evening. Most of it will be late actually. Then 75 on Saturday with those scattered showers and storms. Sunday will be our best chance for flooding, as Saturday is the chance for severe weather, but we are going to be monitoring that as we get closer to the weekend. Heavy downpours expected on Sunday with a cold front sliding through the area. 72 on Monday, and we keep that rain chance around before high pressure finally returns on Tuesday, a high of 70.
All right, looking forward to next week. Definitely
Yes.
something to monitor today, and not really what we were hoping for. We wanted the lighter
No.
showers today, right?
We weren't actually in a severe
Yeah.
thunderstorm watch, or actually we didn't have any severe weather. We weren't expecting severe
know.
storms this morning, and now one just fired up. It just really just depends on
I
how
know.
much fuel's in the atmosphere.
Yeah, pretty much just right before the weather in the
Yes.
first block it came across. So it happens. Welcome to summer in the Mountain State,
Yes.
right?
Good afternoon, everyone. We're warmer than where we were yesterday, as it's currently 22 in Charleston, 25 in Huntington, 22 in Portsmouth, and also in Grayson, 20 in Point Pleasant, only 18 in Parkersburg right now. And as we can see, a Storm Tracker 13 HD Dual Live Doppler radar, snow is on the way and will be returning to the area as we do head later into your day and also into the overnight hours tonight, unfortunately, and to start off your weekend. Now, there is a winter weather advisory issued right now for both Pike and Ross counties, and that will go into effect at 4 o'clock today, go until 10 a.m. tomorrow, as we are expecting 1 inch to 2 inches of snow, which will make travel difficult as you head through your Friday night and into your Saturday morning. Now, as we take a quick look at satellite and radar, you can see this Alberta clipper sliding through the area, and that's what's bringing in our cloud cover and also that snow chance back to our area. Now we'll see those clouds continue to stick around as we head through your afternoon, but most of the snow doesn't move in until the late evening and into the overnight hours. And we will see that snow lingering through the overnight hours and into the start of your Saturday. But once that cold front slides through, we'll see a rebirth of more snow in the form of upslope snow, mainly in the higher elevations. Many of us will be clearing up as we head through your Saturday afternoon and into your Saturday evening, as we will be seeing sunshine to start off your New Year's Eve. Unfortunately, though, another quick blast of snow does move in on Sunday, and that's where we are going to see our snow totals increase. But still then, we're not looking at a whole lot of snow. We're expecting an inch for many of us, but then the further south you are, the less snow you are going to see. About an inch in Charleston and only about 0.8 of an inch in Huntington, 1.6 inches in Jackson. So not too bad as you do head through your holiday weekend. We'll see a high today of 33 degrees, 31 tomorrow, then 21 on Sunday as that Arctic air does move in behind that cold front. We'll see a high of 20 to start off 2018, and then we warm up to 26 and 33 for the first few days before another cold front slides through. And merrily, we're going to see those temperatures fall back to the teens as one last blast of Arctic air moves into the area, and we'll see those single-digit lows overnight. Good morning, everyone. A mild start today as temperatures are in the low to mid 60s across the area, so you won't be needing a light jacket as you're getting ready to head out the door. We're at 65 right now in Beckley and 62 in Bluefield right now, 59 in Lewisburg. Storm Tracker 59 HD Dual Live Doppler radar showing that we're clear and quiet across our area of the Mountain State. Showers and storms further to the north, but Tropical Storm Cindy is where we're going to focus a lot of our attention now on. She made landfall earlier this morning and will be tracking towards the northeast Friday and into Saturday. Now, right now her track was this orange line, and that has her passing right over our area of the Mountain State. She could end up going as far north to the Ohio River or as far south to the North Carolina-Virginia border, and we are actually expecting to see a little bit of precip from her today that has broken off and will be heading through the area. Now, we'll be dry this morning, but then those showers and storms rumble through this afternoon and into this evening. Good news is that we're looking at a little bit of a dry slot to move in for Friday morning. We are also expecting to see the storm merge with this cold front that will be sliding through the area. Now, as predictors showing, the heaviest band of the rain is north of this cold front, and this is our biggest question mark out of this forecast, is if the heaviest band stays to the north, we'll just see a little bit of rain out of this, possibly some flooding in areas with poor drainage. But if the band trends a little bit further to the south, we're looking at heavier rainfall and more widespread flooding risks in small creeks and streams. We are not expecting flash flooding like what we saw last year. Times will be between Thursday night and Saturday morning. Heavy rain at times. The heaviest of the rain will be falling through the overnight Friday night into Saturday morning. So if you have the Storm Tracker 59 app, download it and let it notify you in case something happens in the middle of the night. It has the ability to wake you up. Now, our confidence in this forecast is low right now because, well, it's just too many question marks on that heavy band of precip. If it heads to the north like predictor shows, we're looking at possibly an inch of rain in Beckley and less further south. But if it heads further south, we'll see more rain and possibly more issues.
All right, so definitely just something to monitor over the next 24 hours.
We will be for sure.
A lot of uncertainty right now. Well, coming up in 2 months, an event that hasn't been seen in this country for nearly 100 years. We are talking about the solar eclipse.
It will cross North America shortly after 10 in the morning on August 21st. People in 14 states will get a perfect view, and NASA is planning to use it as a study opportunity. We'll actually see a partial eclipse here in the Mountain State.
I know, and it's going to be seen really well in Tennessee. I know that's where you're trying to go,
yes.
Right? On August 21st, the moon will pass between the sun and the earth, and its shadow will race across the country at an average speed of 1,500 miles an hour.
This means that day will turn to night, and temperatures could drop as low as 25 degrees. NASA says the best way to view the spectacle is with special viewing glasses.